Hi there, what's up? In this video, we will be comparing TradeStation and Webull to help you decide which platform is better for trading. We will be covering the fees, the features, and the usability step by step. So, for the first one, user interface and experience. TradeStation, as you can see, has cleaner and professional interface. On the other hand, Webull has beginner-friendly and mobile-first and easier navigation. For fees and commissions, which is the second one, so for TradeStation, it is competitive for active traders. For Webull, it has zero commissions on stacks and ETFs and has low fees on options. Third, trading tools and features. TradeStation has advanced charting and has strategy testing and alerts, and Webull is good for is has good charting and paper trading and use integrations and fewer advanced tool. Fourth, account types and minimums. TradeStation has multiple account options and moderate minimums, while Webull has low minimums but flexible account types. Now, for the fifth one, which is customer support and resources, TradeStation has strong tutorials and responsive support, while Webull has basic support and community-driven learning. For pros and cons, TradeStation is best for active traders and advanced charting. On the other hand, Webull is great for beginners and casual inventors. So, for advanced trading tools and professional setups, then TradeStation is your choice. But, if you want beginner-friendly trading and low cost, then Webull is excellent. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.